Hello friends, welcome to my channel How to Do This. So today I would be sharing some tips with you which will help you to boost your confidence in spoken English. But before starting with the tips, I want to know that did you practice on how to think in English? And if not, then do practice them too because the first step to be fluent and confident in English is to think in English. The link to this video has been given in the description box. You can check out over there. Now, without wasting any time, we will start on with the step number one, and that is to pretend to be confident. Means just fake it. Even if you are nervous and you know actually that you are not so good at spoken English and also that you are not confident, just keep the fear and hesitation of yours inside you. Okay, and to the word, you're gonna show that you know the language very well and you are too confident and just jump into conversations, and trust me, friends, this fake confidence will soon turn out into the real confidence. For example, whenever a photograph of yours is clicked, you try to give a fake smile. Fine? And as a result, you get a smiling and a beautiful pictures of yours. Fine? So now the same you have to do with the spoken English, that you have to pretend to be confident and you will actually be confident. Now take the second tip, and that is don't worry about your mistakes. I tell you actually what you think while speaking English. It is that you are actually worried about what if I am grammatically wrong. Is somebody noticing me? Are the people I'm talking to judging me for my pronunciation? Well, friends, just don't bother about such things, and I would rather say that go ahead and make mistakes if you really want to be fluent and confident in English. Making mistakes will make you learn even more. Now, here's the tip 3, that is use simple English. Well, if you're talking to someone in English, doesn't mean that you end up using all the new words you have recently learned. Try to speak simple sentences because it will make you comfortable, and then step by step you can add up some interesting and new English words into your conversation. And the most important thing when you're talking to someone is listen carefully to what the person is saying, and your response can be just a simple smile, a simple nod, or maybe a sentence of few words. So, firstly, be a good listener if you want to be a good conversationalist. Now, the final tip number 4 is to practice more and more. Friends, in my previous video, I gave you some tips to think in English, and now you need to practice talk in English. This you can do by talking to yourself in front of the mirror, or you can even record your voice in your phone itself. Fine. Now while talking to yourself, you know if you are making mistake, you would realize that and you would correct yourself. So just keep practicing, be talkative but in English, and I'm sure very soon you will be fluent and confident in spoken English. So friends, put the comment right below as to which tip you like the most, or even if you have a new tip, I will really appreciate that. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just do it simply with a click on subscribe button and another click on the bell icon, and I assure you that you would explore and learn the variety here. So see you friends in the next video with a new answer to how to do this.